Today is today is April 30, 2023. Sunday, happy Sunday. So it's so windy today, guys. Now the yard is clean because the wind are blowing. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Oh my gosh. See, there's a limbs fall off, like broke off. Oh my gosh. Supposed to be, I wanna make a bird house over there. Where's the pile? But I'm scared that I don't wanna get run over by the tree when they fall down, cause the tree there by the front of the house are really it's like big, but it's kinda crack in the middle. And then oh my gosh. Oh my god, did you hear the gush of the wind? Oh my god. Okay, now it's kinda cold now. I need a jacket. I did not wear a jacket, but I'm just here in the steps. Oh yeah, it's windy. You see the tree moving.